In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Relevance AI agent. Whether you're looking to create a custom solution or want to explore AI capabilities by using a template, this guide will walk you through the process from start to finish. To begin, we need to sign up and create a project on Relevance AI. Head over to the Relevance AI platform and register for an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you're going to start a new project. This is your first step toward building your AI agent. At this stage, you'll need to decide on the agent type that best suits your needs. You have the option to invent a completely new agent, make use of existing templates, or if you're feeling ambitious, you can build one entirely from scratch. Remember, your choice here will influence the direction of your AI project, so take some time to consider what you want your agent to accomplish. Next, you'll want to set the inputs for your agent. This part is crucial as it defines what data your agent will work with. Consider what information or data points your agent needs to perform its tasks effectively. It could be anything from customer inquiries to product databases. Alongside setting up inputs, you'll also add tools that your agent might require. Equip your AI agent with functions like search capabilities or even email functionalities if needed. Having the right tools in place will enable your agent to function more efficiently and can greatly enhance its performance. Now, let's move on to crafting instructions for your AI agent. Clear, detailed instructions are key to making sure your agent performs the tasks you set out for it accurately. Make use of the Flow Builder if you want to create complex workflows. It's a handy tool that allows you to set up sequential operations and conditions for your agent's tasks, enabling it to handle intricate processes smoothly. Writing comprehensive instructions ensures that your AI can logically and efficiently handle the tasks you designed for it. Finally, you'll need to test and deploy your AI agent. Before launching it into real-world tasks, it's vital to run sample inputs to see how well your agent performs. Testing gives you the opportunity to fine-tune any areas that might not be operating as expected. Pay attention to the results and tweak your instructions or data inputs as necessary to optimize performance. Once you're satisfied with the testing results, your agent is ready to be deployed for real tasks. At this point, your AI agent will start working on the tasks you've designed, leveraging the inputs and tools you've equipped it with. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to building a Relevance AI agent. We hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're now ready to tackle your AI projects with confidence. Thank you for watching and happy building.